Good day and welcome to our discussion here on method of factoring a polynomial or an expression. Here we introduce this method, the simplest method and the most important method, no? Para maka-factor juga, masimple lang imong life, you must know how to factor a common multiple. For example, ingon ani no pinaka-simple niya nga presentation. Yeah, for example, a constant a times u plus a constant a times v. Okay? Kung nakaingon ana no, meaning ang a is constant, ang u kay ay ang a ang u v kay variable. Ang pinakakuan ani lang is to factor this, you just simply have meaning ang a pwede mo ipagawas no, because a is common among them and will be u plus v. Okay? So simple lang no, pa-distribute mo balik ang a, you will get this. Okay? au plus ab. Kani siyang pinakasayon, but mostly kung di mo siya makita sa pag-factor or factoring na pag-approach, kay mahirapan na kag-solve sa problem. Now, let us try to give some short examples on this one. Okay, so we have here the expression negative 10x cubed y squared z to the fourth. Here we have negative 20x cubed y squared z cubed. And here we have 5x squared y fourth z to the fourth. So, ang idea ni is kung makita nimo nga nasa lay common nga multiple, imong ipagawas diretso. Nga na lang ang pinaka-simple na buhaton. Kung makita ka nga la ni common no, common ni siya. Pagawas nimo diretso. For example here, if we take a look on the constant, sa constant lang sa 10, 20 and 5. Unsa may common multiple nila ana? Meaning kani siyang 10 simply what? 5 times 2, right? Kanin 20 4 times 5. So kani 5 times 1, meaning 5 is common among them. So you can just actually do this, like factor out 5 first, and you will be left with, here will be what? Negative 2x cubed y squared z to the fourth minus what? Factor out among 5, no? So 4x cubed y squared z cubed plus x squared y4 z to the fourth. Meaning, imong gibuhat, imo lang gipagawas ang 5 kay common man daw ang 5 among the 10, 20 and the 5. Okay? Ang ana lang idea. But of course, you don't stop in there. Kung na kayo makita pa nga common, imo nang ipagawas. Okay? So, the more practice you do, the more nimo makita nga, common, no? Common ni sila. So, actually here, if you take a look on the variables, what is common is that, kanina, dili necessarily nga constant ang imo ipagawas. Basta common lang siya. For example, in this case, kanina ay y squared, na y squared, kani kay y to the fourth. So, sa may common sa y squared, ug y to the fourth. Okay? Will you agree nga common nila will be y squared? Meaning, ang y to the fourth is simply what? Y squared times y squared, right? And ang y to the fourth, what naman ang y to the fourth, no? Y squared times y squared. So, meaning, you can actually factor out y squared. What else? About the x? X cubed here, x squared here. What is pinaka-common ano, na pwede na mo ikuan? So, cube, kasama ng x cubed. X cubed could be thought of x squared times x, right? Then, ang x squared will be like that. So, bali, kani siya, ma-factor out nimo ang x squared, okay? What else? How about the z? Z to the fourth, z cubed, z to the fourth here. So, I think z cube is common among the z4, z cube, and z to the fourth, right? So z cubes. If you factor that out, what will be left will be, well, take a look on this first term. Negative 2, ang x cube, nag-una man ko sa y, na dapat sa x ko nag-unag sulat. Kay para, x, y, z man. But never mind, pwede naman gyapon na. So, x cube over x, no? Kuha mo gawas, kuhaon ba? Ay, y squared na lang. Di dapat sa x na mag-una, no? X cube, kuhaon mo ang x squared. Pila mabilin? Ano, x cube, divide x squared. Pila mabilin na? X na lang bali. Okay, so mabilin here kay x. How about that? Y squared, kuhaon y squared. Ang mabilin kay, wala lang, no? 1 ang mabilin. So, you don't need to write that. Z to the fourth, kuhaon mong z cube, mabilin kay z. Okay? How about the second expression? Minus 4. X na lang po ang mabilin. Ang y, wala na po ang y. Ang z cube, wala pa ang z cube. Okay? Kaya makancel sila tanan. Plus, kani, x squared over x squared. Pagawas din mga x squared, so mawala na mabilin sa x squared. So, y squared, ang y squared, ipagawas nimo mabilin pa kay napag-isa ka y squared. So we'll have that. Okay, how about z to the 4 over z cubed? So mabilin kay z na lang. Okay? Maging ana lang no, ipagawas nimo siya tanan. Okay? Yung ana lang nga case. Pero kung naglibog ka, let me rewrite this no kung para kuan maklaro gid nato nga dito sa pagpagawas. Okay? Let me rewrite that. So bali kani nga case, ana ni siya pagkakuan no. Negative 2 bali gipagawas na ko ano ang x squared times x y squared z cubed times z. Ako lang gingana siya bali pag show para makita nimo sa first term pagawas lang nimo ang x squared y squared z cubed. So pag pagawas nimo sa x squared y squared ug z cubed, ang mabilin will be negative 2 times x times z. Okay, ingana lang no. So I will not show everything anyway. So mo na siya. So here, what have we done? Ato na napagawas tanan unsay common. Therefore the answer will be this one. Okay, ingana lang siya kadali. Mo lang ni siya ang factor value. You have expressed this as a factor now or pwede kaning 5 numeros lang tapadon. Anyway, basta nakakuan lang, itapad lang man gina siya. So you will have here actually depende sa imong ano kung unsa mong ipagawas. Pagawas ba nimong positive or negative ba yung pagawas? Di na siya mag-matter. So your factor will be this, and this. So naka-multiply lang siya tanan, no? So 5y, una nga to x squared. 5x squared y squared z cubed times this whole term, negative 2xz minus 4x plus y squared z. Kung gusto niyo ipagawas ng negative 1, pwede lang gihapon, but it doesn't really matter as of that moment. Okay? Ingana lang ang idea. Dili necessarily nga kasahon nimo pagawas tanan. Depende sa imong makita. Ingana ang pag-show. Let me give another example. What if you have here, for example, 15 like 15x plus shall we say 20y, no? X like xy plus 20y y squared z. Okay? Ingana lang ka-simple. How do you factor this? Okay, so depende sa una na makita, no? Kung makita nimo nga ala, no, 15 will be just expressed as what? 15 could be expressed as say common sa 15 sa 20, right? 15 could be expressed as 5 times 3, no? Times xy. How about this one? This could be expressed as 4 times 5 times y times z. Okay? So, bali lang tao nimo. So, may common sila ha. Common ang 5 ug ang isa ka y. Okay? Bali, ingana na siya bali. So, bali, dampoy 5, din ay y. So, ipagawas nimo na, 5y. Common man din na siya, ipagawas nimo. So, sa mabilin dari, will be 3x. Okay? How about here? Mabilin kay 4yz. Ingana lang ka-simple ang factoring a common multiple. So, that's it. Ingana lang siya kadali. Kung common siya, you can factor it out. Okay, let's give another example. What if we have here x to the 2n plus x to the 2 plus n. Okay, so this is quite interesting. Okay, unsa may common silang duha? Ang isa x to the 2n, ang isa x to the 2 plus n. Okay? Unsa din ni siya? Well, take a look that this one could be thought of kuan ba? Kani nga format could be thought of, well, unsa man ning x to the 2n? X to the 2 plus n. So, ang idea ni is we could express this as, unsa man meaning sa x to the 2n? It's simply x to the n times what? X to the n, right? So, meaning mag-add lang ang duha ka n, no? Kaya naka-multiply ka the same base. Mag-add lang exponent will come x to the 2n. How about this one? It's simply plus x to the 2 times x to the n, right? Tama ba? Tama, no? Tama. So, which as you can see, bro, kanino dapat makasulat lang ka nga x to the n times x to the n kung kabalo ka sa rules sa exponent, no? Nga same base, same base gali mag-add lang ang exponents, meaning 2n will be n plus n is 2n. How about this? 2 plus n, that's 2 plus n. Okay? Nga na lang kasimple. Now, unsay common sila duha ka expression? I think you can see that common ang x to the n, x to the n, diyan. So, muna mo ipagawa as x to the n. Kasi mabilin diri sa isa, x to the n na lang, dire, mabilin, x squared. Okay? Ingon ana lang kadali ang situation, ang storya. Ingon ana lang. So, therefore, now you have what? Factor this. Sum na sa no kanikin na kay duha ka term. This term multiplied by this term. Okay? Ingon na lang idea sa factoring a common multiple. Thank you.